Hi everybody, it's time for a mystery box. And this mystery box, you must have Cricut access because it has a brand new cutie in it. Brand new cutie, meet pistachio. Now there's a link in the description. Go use that link. There's my code. Make sure you get $50 in your cart so you can get free shipping and another 10% off. If you are a premium access member, you get 20% off the box, then my 10% off. Go get them now. They go really, really fast. You can only get one per transaction. So you can't buy more than one box at a time. Okay, now do you want to see what else is in the box? We have Grassland Sampler Iron-On. This box has a pistachio theme. So you get 3 different colors of iron-on in here. Lattice sampler, 3 different patterns of iron-on in this one, and espresso iron-on. But wait, there's more. This is foil citronella iron-on. This is iron-on, not for the foil transfer kit. You have 2 sampler kits of removable vinyl. These are awesome to help get you all of the colors that you need. You're just starting out. There's 6 different colors in each one. And then we have premium permanent vinyl in white, something you always need. It's 4 feet long. And a 12 by 24 acrylic ruler. This is great for so many things, all included in this mystery box. But it's going to go really fast, so make sure you click the link in the description and use my code INSPIRE to save you even more money. Remember, if you have premium access, you get another 20% off. Bye guys. See you next time.